FT1202HC type flat table and frame installation. Take out the two table holders from the accessories box and a pack of screws. First, install this metal plate on the stand. Put in the screws. Put a washer and a nut behind it. Then use a Phillips screwdriver and a size 10 wrench. Tighten the screws. Then install the table holders. Height can be adjusted. Don't tighten this screw yet. Same on the other side. Next, install the flat table. There are two white buckles on the tabletop. There is a protruding iron plate here. Put the buckle inside. Push the red button up. Put the table support in. Next, install the flat embroidery frame. First, loosen the 5 screws. Place the first screw into the first hole. There are 5 screws in total. After putting all in, push the frame to the bottom. Then tighten the screws. If there is a gap between the frame and the table, we can rotate the table support to right. The table will rise. Just make sure there is no gap between the two. Unscrew this screw using a 5mm hexagon. Then install the table holder. Take out a screw from the bag. Screw in the middle position. Then tighten the screws below. Same on the other side. Flat table and frame installation completed.